Every once in a while, as a content creator on YouTube, I get packages sent to me. I have a business address and I get goodies that just show up in my office. About last week, I got this package. I had to go away on a work trip to Las Vegas. I'm back now. Don't worry. You guys can relax. I'm back. But I have this package and it says it is Nimbus 9. And I have no recollection of agreeing to accept the package from a Nimbus 9 company. I don't know what it is. I did some light Googling and I didn't really get anything that was very revealing. So this is it. This is the logo. I don't know if you guys know who this is or if you recognize this company or this brand, but it's wrapped up pretty good. It's a lot of tape on it, and I'm gonna tear into it and we're gonna see exactly what is inside. Trusty unboxing knife. So they were definitely maybe a little paranoid about the wrapping on this thing because there is tape on every end of it. I've never seen so much tape on a package before. It's almost like they don't want me to get in. Oh, let's put this away so we don't injure ourselves. We're all about safety here for the love of tech. Oh, look at this. It's all sorts of cases. Oh, wow. Like a lot of cases. Oh, Nimbus 9. I don't remember saying send me this, but thank you for sending it. This looks like a lot of gear. There's Samsung Galaxy S10 cases in here. I'm a little excited. Wow, they sent me an iPhone XS Max, which I have one, so I'm happy. They sent me a Galaxy S10 Lite case, 5.8 inches. They sent me a Galaxy S10 6.1 inch, and they sent me a Galaxy S10 Plus 6.4 inches. Woohoo! I'm really excited. Calming down, reeling it in. Let's go ahead and get the camera on these right now. So here is the complete lineup. I have my iPhone in my Plyo by Urban Armor Gear. They also send me cases. Thank you very much. This is the iPhone XS Max case. So here it goes. Looks pretty legit. It gives you some protection there, a shield of some sort. Comes off if you want. Oh, I get it. It helps your phone stay connected to the gimmick inside. Oh, this is an amazing setup. This is my new case. Thank you, Nimbus. This is phenomenal. I needed one of these in my car. It was like it's Christmas right now. It is legit Christmas, and this is a pretty good case. I don't feel. Let's take a look. I've got the camera hump. It's now eliminated. Got some raised edges, which is what we need. Raised edges. It's a little slippery. I'll be honest with you. It's a little slippery. One of the things I like about my Plyo is it's a little sticky. So we're going to put that to the side. We're going to give this a try. We're going to use these fun accessories, and I'm going to come back with a full review on this for you guys. So here we actually have the Samsung Galaxy cases for the S10. So this is for the smaller version of the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is our S10, which is basically going to be your standard case all the way across the board. And it looks like all of these might have that technology built into it. So it says right here, mount ready, wireless charging compatible, lifetime warranty. So not only is this built in to mount, it's also wireless charging compatible because the mounts here and the wireless charging in the phone is there. So we have our light, we have our regular, and now let's go ahead and jump over to this one. So this is the actual Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is what they're calling it. The Galaxy S10 Plus. So here it is. Let me go ahead and grab my Note 9 and my S9 Plus so we can kind of compare. All right, here we go, a little bit of comparison. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So here's that phone compared to will it fit in here? Not quite. It's just so we can get an idea of the size of the actual device. So just about everything that we have seen or heard of the rumors and leaks are true. This is a headphone jack. This is USB-C. That's most likely our microphone. That is a speaker, most likely, if I had to guess. We've got all of our cameras there, as in all of the leaks. We have our power button there, our volume rocker, and our lovely Bixby button, which will not go away. And these are being brought to you by Nimbus 9, who randomly just sent me and leaked these cases, along with a beautiful iPhone XS Max case. So thank you, Nimbus, for being innovative and jumping out there on the ledge and sending me these things. Thank you. I don't know if innovative is the right word. A little risky is what we'll call it. We'll say you're definitely taking a risk here. There it is in all of their glory. Shout out to my buddy Technically T, who said, I don't want to see no case reviews without no phones. Buddy, I didn't know that that's the way that this was going down today. It's just what happened. So you kind of roll with the punches. Here we go, our Series 2 wireless charging compatible mount ready, along with this with the Ghost 2, and actually they came with the mount themselves. Nimbus 9, thanks for sending me these cases. Hopefully your intent was for me to go ahead and share these with everyone, because that's what I'm doing. For the Love of Tech has a giveaway going on right now. Go down to the description, click on the Gleam link, get involved, subscribe, watch some videos, have some fun, enter to win some really cool stuff. You might even win one of these cases yourself. You never know. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, give me a thumbs down. Whatever you do, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see my videos when they come out, and don't forget that notification bell. Ding! For the Love of Tech, thanks for watching. Namaste.